Hi everyone, this is Isabel the Shabby Hippie. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you for being here. Um, Thank you for subscribing. Um, okay, I'm not sure if we're gonna have a little visitor here. He just jumped off the chair, so anyway. No, okay. I don't think he's coming up. Okay, sorry. It's my cat again. um Anyway, so yes, I am here today to do a little show and tell of all of the projects that we made for that I made for the hashtag 12 Days of Christmas Crafting in collaboration with Denise, um, which is Denise Abate Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind. So, yes, I have four projects because um, we were each to have 6 days, so for a total of 12 Christmas crafting days. And so my first project took 3 videos, so sorry about that. But I feel that it did turn out really cute in the end, and these are all um, gifts, okay? Well, except for one or two that I may keep. I'm not sure yet. But anyway, so starting with the first day, which led on to 2 other videos, so it's a total of 3 videos for the first day. Um, this is what I made. Oops, sorry. Gosh, everything looks so different when you when you look up at the camera. But anyway, this is what I made. Okay, so it is a cute little brag book for um, my daughter's mother-in-law. So this is going to be an actual gift. Okay, I ended up tying it with this pretty blue um, uh, seam binding. Okay, so we did everything together except I think I added this strip of paper here at the end. I may go in and add still another one of the same on this corner just to kind of make it a little more cohesive. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. So this is for a baby boy, which my daughter just had a baby boy, and this is for her mother-in-law to put in some some pictures of the baby. So sorry, let me move these around a little bit here so we have some room. So this is what it looks like in the inside. Okay, really cute and really simple to make. So let's start. We have a pocket with 2 photo mats here, and she can fit way more in here. And then, oh, let me straighten them out a little bit. There. And then the same goes for this side. Okay, 2 more photo mats on this side. There we go. And then on the top, I was going to add a little slider here, which I mentioned. I think it was probably on my last video that I mentioned it. But I decided to leave it like that because the photos are going to be small, so I didn't want to overpower it. So, okay, so we matted both sides of the strap, added the little belly band there, and then so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so for a total of 14 plus 1, 15 pictures on this side, and the same for the bottom. So 15 pictures at the bottom. So that's a total of 30 pictures plus the photo mats. There are 4 photo mats. That's 34 pictures plus if she wants to add some more. So in this tiny little album, you can add 34 plus pictures. Okay, so so there you see. And then this I added, I believe it was after the last video. And then, so let me just show you really quick. It's the same concept down here. So I only matted the tops of the flaps. because, you know, she is going to add pictures, so it's going to get covered anyway. But I always like to at least the, the fronts to look nice even before the pictures are there. So then again, I added this mat here, and then this is just, you know, that pocket that we made for the photo mats. So this was my first project, and now I can't see. Sorry, oh, yeah, okay, never mind. I'm standing up and I can't see. Gosh, my eyes have gotten so bad. So this is my first project, and then I think that if I would do something different, it would be, instead of a 1-inch spine, I would go ahead and do a 3/4 inch spine. Although this is supposed to, you know, thicken up a little bit, so a 1-inch should be okay. But maybe next time I'll try with a 3/4 inch spine. Other than that, I would keep everything else completely and exactly the same. Okay, so I'll just tie this off in a little bit. And then, okay, so the second project that I made, sorry about my reach here, was this beautiful little gnome. I love her. I love her, and you know what? You know what else I like about her? She's doing some free advertisement for me. She is holding my Shabby Hippie business card. So now we didn't decorate it on camera. Okay, so all I did was make her on the video. Because I didn't have enough time, but I did say I would come back to show all of my finished projects. Okay, so here she is. Here's her hair. I added some cute little resin bows to both ponytails. She's got her little mittens on, and where's the other one? Right here. Hey. And then I added two lace trims. This is a wider one here at the bottom, and then this is obviously a less wider one, and it's also white because I wanted to match the colors. And then they both come all the way around the back. All right, and that's how that looks. And then I also added this pretty little trim all the way around her hat. Okay, and then I finished it off with that gorgeous, I'm not sure if you can see it very well, let me bring it down, with that gorgeous little flower there. So that is, oh, and then I added this little embroidered flower here. There. And of course, you know, I just had to do this. So this is why I'm saying I think I might keep something, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep this. She is just like totally me. But so yes, this is my beautiful little gnome, which I am in love with. And even my husband, he's like, oh my God, that's so nice. I'm like, I know, it's my first one too. So I'm proud of her. So let me put her down. And then let me flip her little ponytail over. There you go. Oh, well, there you go. I don't know. But yeah, so whatever. Oh, no, then my third project was the easel box card set, which is right here. Okay, so you can see how it stands. You can see that it flips back, and then it meets up to the little gems there, which will help keep it up. Okay, and then I made the Christmas card set. There are 8, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 complete cards. Okay, they're blank in the inside, blank on the outside. And I made these using a digital kit from Junk Journal Craft Lena. Sorry, Lena. Junk Journal Craftlina, because I always think of her name, but then I forget her shop name. Sometimes I don't know why. Um, so this is a complete set that she has in her shop, and if you want to see how the papers look, just go back to any one of the videos where I made this. You know, if you want to see anything at all, and you'll see how I put it all together. Obviously she doesn't have these all cut apart. It's just one, it's actually two sheets of these cards, and then I made the card base on the video, and I show you how to put it all together. Okay, I also showed you how to make the box for them. Oops, oh well, forgot to put this in first. And this is part of her digital, so then that you can put in the cards. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I show you how to make these as well. All right, so there's 8 envelopes, 8 cards, and then they all fit in here nicely with no problem to take out. I made the box lid on video so you can learn how to make it yourself. And then there is that. Oh, and then after I finished it off after the video by just adding some sequences, and I added that little star on the top, and that was it. So kept it simple because the again, like I was saying in the video, you can definitely embellish all of these even more, but you know, the reason for these videos and this collaboration is if you don't have time to make something elaborate, then you can always go ahead and do something like this. But yes, you can always embellish them more. You can add more layers, you can add more embellishments, and you know, make your project stand out even more. But this is like crafting on a budget and crafting quickly for your Christmas gifts. Okay, and then the very last thing that we made on video was this. Okay, and so what did I add in afterwards? I can't even remember, but yeah, I've been doing so many things I can't remember what I do anymore. But I know that I didn't add this on video, so this is a sticker from, I want to say it was Dollar Tree, but don't quote me on it. Could have been Dollar Tree, Dollar General, one of those stores. Okay, and then I'm pretty sure I added the sequence on video and the stars. Then I added this twine, and then I added the little jingle bells, and that's it, and that's what it looks like. And this makes a very cute decoration for your walls. Obviously it's for your wall, and you can make this in any theme. This could even be for birthday, or this could just be for spring, or it could be for Valentine's Day. It could be for anything. It doesn't have to be for Christmas. And of course I show you how to make everything except for just putting on the sticker, which anybody can do. And then I was having some trouble adding this because my glue gun shut off on me, but but you get how to do it. So I only went around twice, and then I made a bow and added the little jingle bells. And those are my projects, guys. I hope you really like them. If you didn't see the collaboration and you want to go back, there is a playlist on my channel. I'm pretty sure it's called collaboration videos or hashtag. I'm not sure how I put it in there, but it does have something with collaboration. So if you want to go back and see any or all of these projects, how I made them, you are very welcome to. And don't forget to always comment and hit the like button if you like it, obviously. If you want to see more content like this, let me know in the video below. I definitely would not mind making more crafts like this and more tutorials. I don't know what else to say except thank you all for being here. Thank you for watching the videos. Don't forget that there is going to be a drawing on the 3rd on my channel. I think Denise said she was also going to draw on the 3rd. I'm pretty sure. But yeah, if you want to know more about that, you can go to her channel and she'll let you know. What else can I say? Yeah, just if you want to be entered in the drawing, you do have to be subscribed to both of us, and you have to have commented on all the videos, obviously, so that you can have a chance at the drawing, because if not, then who are we gonna draw? But anyway, um, yeah, so that is it, and I thank you so very much for being with me. I hope you have an amazing day wherever you are, or night, and that is it. Thank you all for coming back. I love you all, and yes, we will see each other super soon. Yes, we will. All right, take care. Bye bye.